Welcome back. So last time I did put together the engine a bit. I have been taking off the valve cover and changing some gaskets and also get rid of a lot of sludge from this car here. And I got a tip from one of you in the comments that I should probably look into the throttle body and clean that up. I didn't know what that was from the beginning, but now I know. I googled a bit. And also, you said too that it might be worth cleaning the air intakes, which I haven't thought about at all actually. So that is probably something I want to do, but I don't know if I will do it myself or if I will, when this car starts, I will drive it somewhere and maybe someone can help me. Because it feels a bit, I don't know, tricky. Let's see if we can take this throttle body off and see also how dirty it is. I guess it's a lot of oil there. It was a lot of oil in the engine, like old oil, sludge, like, yeah, you know. So, let's start. For you who don't know, which was the same as I was before I googled it, throttle body is something that is inside here, and it's a flap that actually makes air go into the engine from these air intakes. And I guess it's now when I'm talking about it, I guess it's regulated by the throttle maybe. So if you want to go faster, it will be more open. I don't know. That I have to Google actually. I just googled what it is and where I can change it. Or not change it, clean it. So if you know, tell me in the comments.
Had to clean up all her mess and burn the...
To get rid of it, I just bent this up a bit. And here you can see it. So here's the flap that I've talked about. So, yeah, it opens like this. Let's take it off and see how it looks. You can already see now, it's pretty sooty here. I don't know if that's normal or not. Maybe it is. I thought this was broken. And I hope not. Because it's had a weird noise when I started to remove it. So these two looks the same at least. Exciting! Let's take a closer look at this one. Here is the outside part of it. And here's the inside. And of course it is a bit sooty here, like old oil. But I don't think it looks too bad. It's still... You can like do this pretty easily. One question though. As you can see here, it's not like totally straight. Should it be like this, or is it that it can't close because of something that is wrong? Yeah, you can... Actually you can see... you can see there at the top that it's actually like a... I don't know. Here, when I have my finger on the back here, still a gap. Should I fix this somehow more than just cleaning it? What do you think? Tell me. Now it's clean. And you can take a look here, way cleaner. And now, the thing is, now we can see this gap even more, and it's a pretty big one. I don't know if it's got bigger just because I don't know, pulled the flap somehow. There's also like, so let's take a look here. Maybe you have an idea. If I press it now from the behind, I can close it. But this is like the natural position. And then it can open, of course. So this means, I guess, that it will never close 100%. But maybe that is by design. Maybe I need to replace all of this. Let's see what you say. It's back to where we started now. And the throttle body, or the body throttle, I don't know. It's clean now. I don't know, yeah. Probably not a difference, but maybe. I can't start the car yet though. I've ordered a pretty cool, it's sort of a jumper pack thing. Because as you can see here, it's pretty tight to get the car out, and the battery was completely dead. I also found out that the battery is under the seat, and the seat needs to be moved by electricity, it seems like. So instead of buying a battery, which I can't put in, I bought a jumper pack. And it will arrive in a couple of days. So, or maybe tomorrow. Let's see. So, that will help me start this and see how it works. Because that's what I wanted to do last time, when I put the engine together. And see if it actually works better than it was doing before. If it starts, if it's leaking oil still. So if you want to see what happens, follow me and this channel. See you next time.